Hey there, trick-or-treaters! Welcome back to our channel. It's time to put your Halloween knowledge to the test with our super spooky quiz. Get ready for some ghoulishly entertaining fun facts along the way. Let's dive right in. Question number 1. Which spooky creature turns into a bat? The correct answer is letter A. Vampires are known for their ability to transform into bats to fly around at night. Question number 2. What do we carve on Halloween to create spooky decorations? The correct answer is letter D. Pumpkin carving originated from an Irish myth about a man named Stingy Jack. Question number 3. Which magical creature is known for having a pointed hat and a broomstick? The correct answer is letter B. Witches are often depicted riding broomsticks, and their pointed hats are said to enhance their magical abilities. Question number 4. Which animal is traditionally associated with witchcraft and Halloween? The correct answer is letter D. Black cats have long been associated with witches, often depicted as their familiars. Moving on to question number 5. Which famous monster is known for his bolts in his neck? The correct answer is letter A. Frankenstein's monster, created by Mary Shelley, is often depicted with bolts in his neck. Question number 6. What Halloween monster is wrapped in bandages? The correct answer is letter B. Mummies are preserved corpses that were wrapped in linen by ancient Egyptians. The word mummy comes from the Persian word mumia, which means bitumen or wax. Question number 7. What is the name of the mythical creature that can turn into a wolf during a full moon? The correct answer is letter D. A werewolf is a mythical creature that can transform from a human into a wolf or a wolf-like creature. The word werewolf comes from the Old English word werewolf, which means man-wolf. Question number 8. What is the name of the plant that has a strong smell and is said to repel vampires? The correct answer is letter C. Garlic is a herb that has many health benefits, such as lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. It is also believed to ward off evil spirits and vampires, as it is said to interfere with their senses and weaken their powers. Question number 9. What is the name of the spooky holiday that is celebrated in Mexico on November 1st and 2nd? The correct answer is letter A. Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a celebration of the lives of deceased loved ones. People create altars with photos, flowers, food, and other offerings for their departed relatives. Lastly, what do kids say on Halloween to get candy? The correct answer is letter C. The phrase trick or treat dates back to the 1920s, when children would go door to door and ask for treats or perform pranks. The word trick refers to a threat of mischief, not a magic trick. Well done, little ghouls and ghosts. You made it through our spooky Halloween quiz. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quirky quizzes. Happy Halloween!